I want to see what's down here.
You haven't been down there yet?
No, I never leave out. Oh, Dad!
Leave it.
Oh, Bill, it was open. I was gonna say we could explode that. And how come you picked up an old beer bottle? Yeah. Do you think I saw that was open? What if someone lives back here?
Nobody lives back here.
You sure about that? There's a building right there.
I know.
What is that?
It's a monster.
No monster. No monster. Are you crazy?
You're the crazy old man.
The crazy old man, right? The crazy old man. Very funny.
What is that? Are you doing scary sounds?
No, just humming a random song. Do 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 do. Looks like a part of the Roman cathedral.
A little electrical house.
Cute.
I think.
You think? Wow.
I don't know, look at what's there.
Says posted. Keep out.
You can't go in there.
I wish.
This has something to do with the electricity on 81 here. You can't really get in there. There's nothing there for you.
Me and my random videos. Posted, no trespassing, keep out. Oh my god, we're all gonna die! Yeah, exactly. Oh god, Dad, there's a tire. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe someone died. Someone died.
Why, if we live right in here, we might have to walk all the way in there.
Stop shooting at me. It's not funny.
I like this, Dad.
You like this?
Yeah.
Good walk. Good exercise.
It is.
Yeah, even it makes my legs tired.
Yeah.
I like going out here. I want to see what goes down that way.
Woo!
Look.
Bridge.
Look.
Bridge. Where?
That's deer prints.
Dear Prince. I live in the woods. Where's the...
If I had a window, I would die. If I had a window, I would die on it. I would be like, hey,
You can't really ride on reindeers today.
I will hold on to them. I will be like, woo, woo. If I had one.
If you had one.
Oh, look, a monkey. It
There's
was
an
like,
owl earlier.
I know.
And there's a woodpecker
So
that comes
scary.
by and visits once in a while.
Oh, I know where this leads.
I thought you said you'd been out here before.
Yeah, I know, but we cut down through the woods and down here. I know where this leads, though.
Over there.
Yeah, so do I, kind of.
It's kind of neat. It looks like a little mound.
A giant rock. That's what's over there, giant rock. Why, do you want to go through there?
I want to go through there.
See, Joey wants to.
Maybe tomorrow if the weather's nice. We'll go exploring
Wow.
back here.
This is the benefit of living around here.
Yeah. I'm going to went down here.
Not where Treacle is. She's got more woods.
You sure?
Down here for
You never see
a
deer
long
crossing through where
time.
she lives. At least I haven't yet.
Train track down there. You go Some of the train tracks.
True.
Which is kind of
But
fun.
we would get ran over. So stuck us into it. Fast.
It does, actually, that's true. When a
I
train
like
comes by,
it.
it's like creates like a vacuum.
We just lay down when it's raining and then it's roll
Dad,
over.
what if we were to see a jet that landed right there?
It's quite scary.
Transformers.
We saw it.
Starscream died.
Stuck over there. I want to
Oh,
get out.
God.
I want to take the helicopter
Looks
out
like
there.
some deer
I
are crossing
wouldn't
through here.
ever do that.
They see prints going up that way.
Scary folks in the woods. No, I really don't care.
It's on an old house.
That would be scary. Though my grandmother did try and find where my great grandfather lived,
Keep going.
and she did.
Right in my leg.
He fought in the Civil War too.
Oh, that's pretty great to go.
Oh my God.
Huh?
It's down here.
No, nothing to drink down here.
That would be kind of scary though.
We'll get a drink when we get home.
See?
Are you still recording?
Yeah. You want to see something really scary? Go behind that fence and turn.
Fine.
Live down here.
Just look.
Who would live down here?
I would.
I would live down here if I walk all
Cut down some of the trees right there and build a house. Really? Then they'd have to take that down. That would be my driveway. We're leaving the woods.
Remember that movie that they was living at the house?
That satellite is old, but look at the house.
Yeah. Like,
No, I know. I mean, once we get out.
nobody wants
You got trick or treating there?
to
Yeah, was anyone there?
What?
Said yeah, but was anyone there?
The house?
Yeah, but look at the shed.
What about it?
It's all ripped up.
So?
That's big. If I was...
And I've never seen anyone parked there.
Yeah.
Highways.
Who lives down here? There's haunted houses?
So far, 7 minutes and 41 seconds. Ha ha ha. Okay, nice to know.
If you don't
Like, really?
open the door, you get in.
Okay, keep watching. Soon enough, we'll be back at my house.
Phillips.
Hey, what are we doing down
Where do
here?
you see that? That's not a turtle. That's not a turtle. That's a little green boy with a red hat. He's a green people purple eater. Or, he's a green people eater.
Alright, put that away.
Why?
People are gonna- people-